We're here at Fall Creek Falls, and we're heading off. I'm eating orange slices, but we're heading off to go and do our hike for the day. We're gonna go see some waterfalls and go down some trails that I got lost on running this morning with Barrett. So we're gonna do that. We all exercised, ate breakfast, got school done, and it is like 1 o'clock, I think.
What happens when you wake up at 6?
So it's not really morning anymore.
It's not even 1 o'clock, it's 11:30.
I think your watch is wrong.
It's 11:30, baby. You're looking at the time.
Is it really?
We started 1 minute ago, and 30 seconds your
No.
watch. It's
I thought
11:30.
No, because the clock inside said 12, so...
And we're back
Okay,
an hour.
yeah, I don't know. Whatever. We got to stop driving so much. But anyway, we're going off and hike, so we'll show you some of the park, but check this out. They've got a volleyball court, bathhouses, and playground, all kinds of stuff, big field. So we'll see you later on. We're in Loop A. So we're heading down towards the nature center, and there's a suspension bridge down here, so take the kids and show them. It's pretty cool. Check out the big suspension bridge. Corbin, what you think of that? Awesome.
I think there's 20 people on it.
Yeah, you want to go across that?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. So here we are. This is the bridge that our friends at Year to Volunteer had built. We're pretty sure.
Yeah.
Because they were here recently.
I watched the video when they had these.
So they did a good job on it. It's sturdy. We ran across it this morning and it didn't shake. Pretty cool. But they built the bridge.
That's a big fall.
Yeah, built the bridge, and then there's a some stairs up here. Yeah, the trail symbols. Yeah.
Why are the trail symbols there?
Because that's marks the trail, bud.
Yeah.
All right, and here's the stairs they built. Good job, Y2V. So this is the cable trail, and that cable goes way down there, I guess, to the bottom of the falls down there.
Want to go down?
So,
Come on, guys. Sturdy.
but they got a mount here for it. And climb down. I think we're gonna try it, but I don't know if the dog can go down.
Oh.
That's gonna be the fun part.
The boys and I'll wait up here?
Okay. right, take your time. Yeah. All right, so we made it to the bottom of the cable trail. Look at this big cove. That looks like it'd be great for swimming, huh? So we're over here at the Cane Creek Falls Overlook, and it is some super high bluffs.
Whoa. I can't even see a thing yet.
Nope, not yet, huh?
Like what?
Whoa, dude. Give me a hand. Can you see it now?
Yeah. I can't see the waterfall.
No.
Yeah.
There, hold mom's hand. Whoa, dude, it's way down there.
You fall it, but not dying.
Yeah, if you fall, there's not gonna be much left to scrape up. Really cool. We found the big waterfall. Check it out.
Look at the people down there.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Hey, Batman again.
Yeah, I like it.
Have a good one.
All right, y'all get after you.
Yes, sir.
The water's falling from over there, Corbin.
Uh-huh.
Where'd you go?
Come on. Let's go. Alright, so Mom and Barrett went down, or Mom and Corbin are down there on that rock. Barrett already went. He's going back for a second. But we're checking out the waterfall. Yep. Alright, so we enjoyed the falls back there.
Amazing.
Yeah, we stopped and had lunch.
Yeah. But it's a really cool place to come and visit because it's not just, you know, one big waterfall. There's like 3 waterfalls. There's a suspension bridge. There's the cable trail. So it's very diverse and you get to kind of fill all those needs. So it's really cool.
Yep. But make sure you got some good hiking shoes.
Oh yeah, they're not easy hikes.
Yeah. So, alrighty. Well, we're gonna head back to civilization and see if we can find some ice cream, huh? Yeah. So we've had our ice cream. We got a little bit left to get back to the campground, so we'll be almost at 7 miles for our hike today. Yeah. Ice cream well earned.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we made it back. We got in a total of 7 miles. It was like 6.94 or something like that. And figured we'd show you our spot. We had to kind of move the stairs over. They're not right, but it works. So it was a little tough to get into this one, and as you can see, it is not level at all. That slight incline, you know. We got a fire going, got our hobo dinners on there. Put some pork tenderloin, potatoes, and carrots in there. Got them on tin foil cooking. Chairs set up, and the kids are over at the playground. So every now and then we hear Barrett hollering, and we can see Corbin climbing. So just hanging out, enjoying the afternoon. So we'll show you tomorrow's adventures. See you later.